Choose the correct plural form of criterion. The correct answer is criteria. Identify the adverb in the sentence. She sings beautifully. The correct answer is beautifully. Pick the correct sentence. The correct answer is, he doesn't like coffee. What is the past participle of swim? The correct answer is swum. Fill in the blank. Neither John blank Mary attended the meeting. The correct answer is nor. Choose the correct spelling. Which sentence uses effect correctly? The correct answer is, the movie affected her deeply. Select the correct comparative form of far. The correct answer is farther. What type of sentence is this? Please pass the salt. The correct answer is imperative. Replace the phrase, he is good at playing tennis. The correct answer is skilled at. Pick the correct article. I saw blank elephant in the zoo. The correct answer is in. Find the error. The correct answer is don't. Fill in the blank. This is the book blank I was looking for. The correct answer is which. What is the superlative form of bad? The correct answer is worst. Choose the correct preposition. She is afraid blank spiders. The correct answer is of. Identify the part of speech. Quickly, she finished her homework. The correct answer is adverb. Choose the correct tense. He blanked the project by tomorrow. The correct answer is will complete. Which word means a word that joins two clauses? The correct answer is conjunction. Find the correct synonym for abundant. The correct answer is plentiful. What is the plural of phenomenon? The correct answer is phenomena. Choose the correct option. I prefer tea blank coffee. The correct answer is 2. Fill in the blank. The train arrived blank time. The correct answer is on. Identify the voice. The cake was baked by Sarah. The correct answer is passive. The correct answer is the dog that barked loudly ran away. What does IE mean? Choose the correct relative pronoun. This is the boy blank bike was stolen. The correct answer is whose. What is the antonym of temporary? The correct answer is permanent. Fill in the blank. He has been working here blank 3 years. The correct answer is 4. Identify the conjunction. She wanted to go, but she stayed. The correct answer is but. Choose the correct verb. She blank her keys yesterday. The correct answer is forgot. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel mcqs quiz for more fun quizzes like this, and see you in the next video.